Hello students and welcome to the online platform of our school. Here is your English teacher Himlata Baid to provide you online classes. And today our topic is Mother's Picture, chapter number 15. So students, suppose you have to draw a picture of someone you love. Whose picture would you draw? Tell me, whose picture would you draw? Do you know what has happened in this story? There is a boy, namely Ali, who makes a picture of his mother. And now I will enter into the text, I will enter into the story and I'll tell you what has happened at the last. Okay? So watch the video very carefully. Okay? And listen to what I am saying. In the art class, the teacher told the children to draw a picture of someone they loved. Ali made a picture of his mother. He was very pleased with it. He was very happy with it. Pleased means happy. He put it carefully in his bag to take it home. So when he drew the picture of his mother, he was very happy with the picture. So he put it very carefully in his bag to take it home. Then he will show the picture to his mother and his mother will be very surprised and happy too. Right? So on his way home after school, Ali passed the pond. Then he met Snowy Swan. Snowy, it is already white in color, so it is Snowy Swan. He showed his mother's picture. Oof, that is a lovely picture. That is a very nice picture, said Snowy Swan. After looking at the picture, Snowy Swan reacted as, it is a very lovely picture. But isn't the neck too short? So the Snowy Swan also told him that the neck is too short. Snowy Swan thinks it. Okay. Ali took out his box of crayons. He did something to the picture. Okay. Is that better? Is that better? Asked Ali. Ali asked to Snowy Swan, now is it better? I have done something with the neck. Perfect, said Snowy Swan. And then Snowy Swan said, now your picture is perfect. Okay. So he again started on his way back home. On the other side of the pond, Ali made Frisky Frog. Okay, so at second he made Frisky Frog. He showed his mother's picture to the Frisky Frog. Hey, that is great, said Frisky Frog. Frisky Frog also said the same. Your picture is very nice, very nice. But aren't the eyes too small? But he also said, don't you think the eyes are very small in your picture? Ali took out his box of crayons again. So Ali took out his box of crayons from the bag. And you know what? What did he do? He did something to the picture. Can you guess? What did he do with the picture? He enlarged the eyes. Okay, he enlarged the eyes. Is that better? Asked Ali. Ali asked to Frisky Frog, is the picture now better? Perfect, said Frisky Frog. Frisky Frog also said, now it is very perfect, very beautiful picture. Ali passed the playground. He saw his friend Dino Donkey. He showed his mother's picture to Dino Donkey too. That's wonderful. It means very pretty, very beautiful, said Dino Donkey. But aren't the ears too short? But Dino Donkey said, Dino Donkey thinks that the ears are short. So, don't you think ears are too short in your picture? Ali took out his box of crayons. He did something to the picture again. So, this time, what did he do with the picture? He enlarged the ears. He enlarges the ears in the picture. Is that better? Asked Ali. Ali asked again. Now is it better? Perfect, said Dino Donkey. Now Dino Donkey said, now the picture is perfect. It is really a perfect picture. No problem, no dispute. Near the big field, Ali waved to Emmy Elephant. Waved means in this way, hi. Okay, he said hi to Emmy Elephant. He showed his mother's picture to Emmy Elephant. Ah, that is a fine picture, said Emmy Elephant. But isn't the nose too short and flat? So don't you think the nose is too short and it is flat too? At once, you know what happened? Ali took out his box of crayons. He did something to the picture. Is that better? Asked Ali. Perfect, said Emmy Elephant. So Emmy Elephant also said, now it is very, very perfect. No dispute. Finally, Ali reached home. He opened the gate and ran up the stairs. His mother was waiting for him. Mother, mother, this is your picture. I made it in the art class today. So mother is waiting. He came, he ran to her. Okay. His mother took the picture. She looked at it, smiled and said, it's perfect. And she hugged him. After lunch, Ali's mother put up the picture on the main door. So this is the main door and here the mother has put up the picture. Okay. Ali looked at the picture and looked at his mother. Now he is comparing the similarity. He is trying to find the similarity between his mother and the picture. Does it look like the mother? What do you think? So now he is trying to find out the similarity, the same things between the mother and the picture, but no, there was no similarity. The picture was not looking like his mother at all. What do you think he saw? Now students, you guess. What do you think he saw by looking at the picture? So students, do you know what has happened? Ali made his mother's picture exactly at the first. It may be. But you know, when he made Snowy Swan, Frisky Frog, then Dino Donkey and at last Emmy Elephant, they all suggested something. They all said that there was some dispute in your picture. And at once, what did he do? He took out the box of crayons from his bag and he did something with the picture. And at last we see what has happened in the picture. Look at the door. This is the picture drawn by Ali. So this picture is not looking like his mother at all. Right? So students, this video ends here. And here you have some word meanings. You have to learn the word meanings. What are the word meanings here? Pleased means happy. Lovely means very nice. Perfect means just right. Wonderful means great, very good. Okay students, hope you have understood your lesson. Thank you.